Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can embed YouTube videos to your class on Google Classroom, for example, for educational purposes or for instructions for your students. So it is actually very simple, guys. Let us show you how to do that. Head over to Google Classroom, for example, via the URL classroom.google.com. Make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google/Gmail account. Head over to the home section here on Google Classroom and select the class you would like to edit and customize. So let me go with that one here, click into it, and after that, guys, you will see that board here to the right. So here you may post announcements, for instance, like learning material from Google Drive, for instance, or upload files like PDFs and so on and so forth, or via hyperlinks. And of course, you may also embed YouTube videos to, I don't know, to educate your students. So you may do that by clicking on that button here, add YouTube video. And after that, you'll be redirected to that window here. So here you may simply enter the URL of the given YouTube video. So let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. Click on that magnifying glass here to the right. And after that, click on add video here to the right to add the given or to embed the given video to your class. After that, post something here in your announcement, like, I don't know, educational video and so on and so forth, and post the given announcement with the embedded YouTube videos. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.